Hi, I'm Anton. Today is day 35, the closing of week 5 of the daily crypto installment program. Here's a record of my daily crypto purchases for February 14th, 2025. I consistently paid in installments: Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000. Today I'm answering a question that often comes up from people my age. Sir, is it possible to fake Bitcoin? The answer: no. Bitcoin uses a technology called blockchain, where all transactions are recorded on an open network that everyone can see. If any data is manipulated, the system immediately rejects it. It's like a neighborhood cash register displayed on a wall. Everyone can see it. If there's an odd number, it's immediately obvious. Even if one computer is compromised, thousands of other computers will reject the change. That's why Bitcoin is said to be secure and unforgeable. But still, fraud can occur if we're careless, for example, by giving our passwords or private keys to others. So, technology is safe. We just have to be careful. If you have parents or seniors at home who are afraid of Bitcoin because they think it can be faked, try sending them this video. Let them know that Bitcoin isn't something mystical. It's real and transparent technology. See you next week.